because of the experience I had with the first one, let me try this, if this is doable. Let's see if we can put this now. Oh, okay. Kind of push it and slide also to the rest. This is also hard. Okay, there you go. We will push it a little bit. Of course, it's not as easy as 1, 2, 3. Nice, see? Okay, here's the notch. Should be on the right side. Center on the rafter. Okay, we're probably gonna have some cushion, I mean buffer, on each side. The sun is just so blinding. I set it to 5, but sometimes it's still, the wood is, part of the wood is soft, so it doesn't stop. I have nothing to hold on to. Oh, wow, wow. Oh, I have to do this. Center. Oh, it has to go in. Oh, man. Yeah. Yeah, it can go in. I did something wrong. I just discovered, because accidentally the H channel has to go inside the cap ridge, of course, so the liquid won't drip on the slot. Good thing I only have the screw for the other one. Now I have to remove. Oh shoot, 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 shoot. Oh, oh man, that's what happens. I poke it. Just gonna put a silicone. Okay, I just damaged the panel, but I had to insert this. Push more. Oh shit. Come on. Yeah, I think it has to go in farther because it's so hard. Has to be 2 people. One to push and one to guide. We have to get it inside the slot of the ridge cap. And also this one has to go into the ridge cap. There's a slot there. Before I just put it a little bit that other side, which is, I have to repeat it. That's wrong. This one, I have to remove. That's the only thing with the square slot. It's hard to find. But it grips better than the Phillips. Okay. This is the one I'm telling you. This has to go in. I'm gonna show you later. So I have to align this. Okay. I think that's good enough. Should be flat. flat. Okay. So the manual doesn't say. I just kind of figure out because of this other side. I said, ooh, because here, this has to get in the ridge and it's not. So the water would come in. Duh, makes sense, but the manual doesn't say that. I'm telling you guys. So you don't have to redo everything. Now I'm redoing. Hopefully the integrity of this panel is still good. So my wife will apply force here with a mallet and I'm gonna hold this. Okay, now go, go, more. Now they're both in this one. It's inside here. And this one is inside the ridge. This one here. See? There you go. It has to go in here and here. Not here, here. This is how the side looks like. Okay. It's getting dark, so I'm doing the E channel on all sides. This part here is wider. This one is a shorter. So this one goes at the bottom and this one on the top. Oh, this is hard. Now, let's see if I can just put this down. Yeah, it gets to a point where it hits the edge of the plastic. So I'm gonna use something like this. There you go. Push. Push. Oh. Putting this completely. We leave something a little bit to push it to the ridge cap. Oh, shredded some plastic. Do the same thing. This is the left side. This is the bottom and this is the top. So this is the shorter one. I'll do the same. I'm gonna try again the U channel. Okay, using the flatter side. Okay. Let me know in the comment if you have a better way. So I'm also trying this. Inserted halfway and so I put the E channel on each panel and I labeled it. This is east, right, so I don't get confused. East, left. And we also have here the west, right, and the west, left. Before I close this panel, I want to put a support here, vertical support. For this, I'm using scrap wood. So I cut it already. I wanna let's put it down on first. So one on each side. This one is not part of the Yardistry specs. This is on my own. I just want to reinforce it. Square slanted wood screw. Same. This again, I bought. That's mine. This is mine. The screw is self-drilling actually, but the first one I just replaced. Pre-drill. The upward force. I don't know if this will help, but peace of mind. Now we'll put the panel. West, left. This is the west side where I'm standing. So I label it so I don't get confused. Notch on the right side. Pushing towards my right. Oop. You have to get that in. AC channel. Yeah, there you go. I'm just gonna check inside if it's in or not. Something is blocking it. So here's the clearance. See that? This one is all on this side. Let's see this one. Same thing. I move this a little bit. Cover the screw because there's a, see this screw here, it's good to cover it. Now we do the west, right. I have to always push this from here. Okay, we got it. Just to make sure. Okay, it's in. You heard the click. It has to be inside. There, it has to be inside. We're done with the roof, all fastened.